Hey guys, it's Nate, and I'm going to talk about the periodic table of elements. I have a couple questions here from our viewers. Bilbo Bob would like to know, what state of matter are metals in at room temperature? Well, Bill, or Bob, or Bo, metals are solid at room temperature. Another question came from Sheila McGee, and she wants to know, where are metalloids located? Metalloids are located on the staircase, in between the non-metals and the metals. Jack from Illinois would like to know what columns are called. In the periodic table of elements, we like to call columns groups, and sometimes we even call them families. This is because the elements in each group react similarly. While I'm on this topic, I might as well talk about rows too. Rows in the periodic table of elements are called periods. The elements are arranged into these rows by increasing atomic number. Shirley Temple wants to know who invented the periodic table of elements, and why. The father of the periodic table of elements is Dmitri Mendeleev. He wanted to put the elements in order, because before that, they were just a jumbled mess, and it was very difficult to figure out where they were and what they were. Chemistry just didn't really make that much sense. It was like you were walking through a grocery store, except all of the signs had been switched around. So instead of finding cereal, you would find cows. DG17 would like to know what the different names of the families are. The name of the first family is hydrogen. Hydrogen has its own family. Next comes group 1. In group 1 you have the alkali metal, but it doesn't include hydrogen. In group 2 you have the alkaline earth metals. Several of these are highly important mineral nutrients, like magnesium and calcium. Next are the transition metals, which are in groups 3 through 12. These are less reactive, harder metals. The next group is group 13, which is the boron family. After that, you have the carbon family in group 14. This contains elements that are important to life and to computers. After that, you have group 15, the nitrogen family. Nitrogen makes up over 3/4 of the atmosphere. This family also contains phosphorus. And nitrogen and phosphorus are very important to living things. After that, you have group 16, the oxygen family, or chalcogen. As we all know, oxygen is very important for living things, because we breathe it. In group 17, we have the halogens. These are very reactive, volatile nonmetals. In nature, they are always combined with other elements. They can be used as disinfectant, and can also be used to strengthen your teeth. The last group we have are the noble gases, in group 18. These are very unreactive, monatomic gases. They're used in lighted neon signs, and they're now used in blimps to fix the Hindenburg problem. These elements have a full valence shell. Sasquatch Hunter 97 would like to know what the atomic radius is. The atomic radius is exactly what it sounds like, the radius of an atom. As you go down the periodic table, the radius grows, but when you go across the periodic table, it decreases. Sasquatch Hunter 1998 would like to know what ionization energy is. Ionization energy is the energy that it takes to remove the outer electrons. As you go down the periodic table of elements, ionization energy decreases, but as you go across, it increases. Last but not least, that one nerdy kid wants to know what electronegativity is. Electronegativity is an atom's desire to steal another atom's electrons. Once again, as you go down the periodic table of elements, the electronegativity levels decrease, but as you go across, they increase. What's the symbol for iodine?
ID. K.